very small. Oh. Let's stretch. One tendril up. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle out to the soil. And we're as tall as we can be. Now, Jack wakes up. There's a big yawn. Oh, and he stretches his arms and opens the curtains. Get ready. And he looks out of the window and he can see a beanstalk. What should we do? We're flying next. You've got your pyjamas on. Okay, ready. Let's push open the window. Climb out. Be very careful. Okay, do you think we can reach one side of the beanstalk? And the other side? Oh, I'm there. Hold on. Let's find another branch. Okay, let's climb. Keep going. Up the beanstalk. Come on, Jack. Keep going. Oh, I'm very tired. Hold on tightly, have a rest. Look down. Wow, I can see the house. It looks so small. Can you see your house?